In construction, anyone can follow. We choose to lead. With over 25 years of experience, we've led the industry, not just in what we build, but in how we think. From cold storage pioneers to supply chain innovators. We build more than structures. We build the backbone of America's supply chain, manufacturing plants, distribution centers, life science facilities. Every project is engineered with decades of data and expertise. We innovate relentlessly, making every schedule smarter, every decision faster, and every dollar work harder. Our data doesn't just inform the future, it builds it. When our people win, our partners win. When our partners win, our clients win. As an employee-owned company, ownership, accountability, and pride are built into every decision. Because excellence isn't a goal, it's our culture. Primus. Lead, build, innovate.